Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with an American Ironhorse chopper I want to show you. This is a 2007 Texas chopper made by American Ironhorse. Got the 111 motor and 6-speed transmission. She is a dandy too. Gloss black. We put a brand new tire on the front for you. Chrome front end. Dual front disc brakes, steel braided cables, high density PIA headlight up there. This bike's got really low miles. It's got under 1,000 miles. Beautiful condition. This is one of the best handling choppers I've ever ridden. It's got a right side drive, so it's balanced real well. 2-into-1 header, lots of chrome back here. I think that's a 300mm tire on back. No, actually it's a 280. Does have passenger pegs, doesn't have a passenger pillion, but I'm thinking that passenger might sit right there. I don't know. She'd have to love you. I mean, it might be he'd have to love you. Steel braided lines down here. 111 S&S motor, S&S carburetor. Stretch tank. This thing is in beautiful condition. It's got less than 1,000 miles. This is a soft tail bike. Fire it up and let you give it a listen right quick. Thing pops right off, no issues at all with that. Sounds good coming through that header too. Thing looks like it's going 200 miles an hour just sitting still. It's got a air shock on the back too. I'm not exactly sure how that works. It may have to be turned, may have to be running to raise or lower it. Oh, there we go. It'll lower down. Can't hardly hear it, but the little pump's running now. And I noticed it had some lights under here on both sides of the tank, but I didn't see the switch. I'm sure one of the sales guys, I see the wire going back there, so I was thinking maybe it's under the seat somewhere. There's some more lights right in here, some more under there. I can tell you all about it. Give them a call toll free at 888-400-1151. It's a toll free number. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. 2007 Texas chopper by American Ironhorse. She's a dandy. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.